Ever wondered how to get your favorite apps onto your Android device? It's simpler than you might think. Let's walk through it together. First, we'll head to your phone's main screen, where all your apps and the handy search bar reside. Tap on Play Store. Today, we're looking for the Amazon Shopping app. A quick tap on the Play Store search bar, type in Amazon, and there it is, the Amazon Shopping app, ready to be discovered. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken straight to its installation page. You'll see the app size for this one. It's about 49 megabytes. Then simply tap Install to begin the download. See how fast that is? The download progresses quickly, reaching 100% in just a few moments. Once it's complete, a simple tap on Open will launch the app, ready for you to explore. And just like that, the Amazon app is installed and ready to go. You'll be greeted by the sign-in page, giving you the option to log in or create a new account. You'll also see a prompt asking about notifications. A simple allow will ensure you stay updated on your shopping adventures. Happy shopping!